Welcome to the analysis on Well Trade. And of course, I'll be starting with PainX 400. And just in case you don't know the book, I actually called Well Trade. You can share the description. I dropped a link there for you to register an account with. And of course, with that link automatically gives you access to my algorithm where you can see all my trade and all my analysis are free of charge. You can choose to copy any of them you want to copy, and of course, you can see everything I'm doing. So that's it. I'm currently short on PainX 400, so we'll be starting with that. So I actually went short after the market was broken and I saw a rejection, so I went short on that. Let me just go straight to 15 minutes charts to see or to show you that. So definitely you can see this previous zone around this. So when I saw this rejection, then it gave me a what's called bullish candle fully closed and I went short on that. I've seen the 15 minutes chart in which goes to the 30 minutes. Okay, so here's 30 minutes charts. Let's see if this is gonna open. Yes, actually it did. So this is actually where I actually went short on this. So currently I'm short on what's it called on PainX 400. I'm actually short somewhere around here. Then my stop loss is currently around here. Then I think I targeted 1:2, which is somewhere around here. So this was I'm currently on PainX 400. So I think the analysis is pretty simple on that. You saw the previous structure. So let us go straight to the next one, which is going to be GainX 400, which is a siblings to that. Oh, I'm spelling Ghana. Ghanaians, how you guys doing? It's been a while. Okay, so let's go to GainX 400. Okay, and of course, as usual, you mark the recent high for using the H4. I think I can see the current recent high already around here, but let the H4 open so for us to actually validate that. The H4 actually gives us a better opportunity, which we can see already. So recent high, they can see the recent low, which is where the rejections are. Yeah, I think it's better just go to the H4 because you can see the long wicks I beat are very long. So let's go to the H1 to get a better markings on that. So I think here is actually better because this is a fake out and of course back into that zone. So right now I want to see the market currently are moving above this. Then we want to see moving above the test of this for us to go long. Or if that does not happen, we want to see a break below this, testing this, then the market giving us signs of going short. But any of that happen, I think I'll be dropping analysis, I'll be dropping alerts on that to let you know about that. And if today is the first time coming across my video, I do this every single day, dropping analysis on my synthetic and forex pairs for you to actually compare with your own analysis. If it goes well, they can actually compare, and if it goes well with you, fine, you can trade. And if it doesn't, I always say they don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Nothing is actually guaranteed. Okay, that's if you want to register, you can actually see the description. I'll drop a link for you to register an account. And if you're not subscribe, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow Forex Network as we do this every single day. So let's mark our recent levels again. So remember, this is our flip X20, that's or let me call it X1. So currently here is the recent high. Then you can see here we call this the recent low. You can see another low right here. Then you can see the final low, validating the full time bearish. See, so there is a very most recent low around here. So let's see if this market is likely to break above this. We want to see a breakout above this, testing this, and think of going long on this. So having that this has been on the bearish for the 4 hours charts for a long period of time. But then let's go straight to 15 minutes chart. Let's see what's going to happen or what's happening currently there. Okay, here's 15 minutes chart on this, and of course you can see there seems to be a continuation here. So for now, you just want to just wait and once the market gets to this level before you think of going long on that. So that's that for flip X400. So let's go to break. So we're going to break 600. So break 600. And of course, we go straight first to the H4. Okay. So here it's H4. Taking this down so at least have a better view. And of course, we mark our recent structures. Recent low, most recent high, or let me say overall, then here is the most recent high. So that means from here a break to here. But then let's see if already it has already moved far below our entry if I was to take that trade. But still, let's still go to the 15 minutes chart to see if we can see anything another level. Now some actually say going short or going long on this would be a better option, having been that the market actually rejected it and the rest. But we're going to put your stop loss. You want to put your stop loss there around here. For me, I don't think I'll be going along on this of chasing the market. I will think prefer the market getting to my level. But then for scalping, I think this should be main targets. This 2.6, your stop loss should be below this. So for scalping, if you want to scalp the market, you can go well to take this. But then remember, don't hit what I can afford to lose. But for me, I will actually be looking out for the market breaking above this for the test of this before I can think of going long on this. So this is for the scalpers. If you want to scalp the market for quick figures, you can just go long on this for your sharp prices or profits. That's it. Let's go to the next, which is going to be the final one for today, which is going to be I think FX volume. And this break right at book 600. So the final one is going to be FX volume. So volume 20. All right. Okay. So here's FX volume. So let's go to the H4 still. Oh my goodness! Can you see this bearish move? Like this is a big time bearish movement. Okay, so this is going to be the recent level that got broken. So for now, the market has actually moved far below the resistance or the former support. So I think the best just to wait for the market to give us another entry. So I'll just say I should just leave this market for today, except we see a good entry spot for us to enter. So otherwise, or maybe probably want to see the market getting rejected somewhere around there, maybe closing below this level, then I think of going short. Therefore now just leave this market, because the best option on trading on this market is going to be the market getting back here. Then you can see something of thinking of going long on short on that. So for now, today I'm going to be leaving FX volume. I'm not taking any trade on that. There would have been a better option for me to take trades after this breakouts from below our what's it called recent low. Then you can see this bullish or bearish candlestick after this indecisiveness, similar to what we saw. I think that should be on, was it on Pain, or I think we saw something like this on our previous analysis. So you can see that again around here, and I could have shut down market that would have given us a 1 to 2. But since we missed that trade, so we just have to wait or leave this market for the rest of the day. That said, as I always say, if you want to register, the link is in the description. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon beside it to get reminded once I drop this every single day or when I drop the alert. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button and please do well to hit the like button if this information is important to you or is necessary. And you can still do well to share this with your colleagues and friends if you might need this information. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead.